Ah, beautiful rainy day. Good time to build an electrical unit. All right, got some terrible framing here, but this will work. Today we're going to put in the outlet boxes for our electrical unit. Only need one or two for the first couple exercises, but yeah, of course. Please honk your horn while I'm videoing. Even though we only need one or two of these at first, we're going to put all four in at the same time. When you look at these, you'll notice there's a little tab right there. This little tab right here is your depth tab. That allows the box to stick out from the sheetrock.